Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So we're back for another video with the Golden Matte Pouring Kit. If you didn't see the first one that I did, I'll put the link in the description so you can check it out. But I think I scrounged up another paint to try one more. So this is the leftover paint that was in my bowl, and I'm absolutely going to use up that. I used the rest of the pouring medium and just mixed some more paints. So let's go ahead and get them into our silicone bowl. This is a Lowly Vefe silicone bowl. Link for that also in the description. I highly recommend these silicone bowls. They are a lifesaver. Alright. So the colors in this kit are a bit funky, and I was definitely had my doubts, but on the last painting that I did with them, I actually was quite happy with how it came out. So I'm gonna drain the rest of these on here since we have so little to work with. Gotta use every drop. And these, I do have more paints though. So while I'm out of medium from this kit, I do have more paints, and so that is awesome. I will be using those with Floetrol, or, you know, I have some other pouring mediums I can try too, but these are really great fluid paints. You can probably tell here they're very highly pigmented. All right, on this one, I'm going to go ahead and try a tree ring. And yes, these gloves are too big for me. It was all they had at the store. So, all right, here we go. I just hope that it doesn't come out too dark. And remember, we had that leftover paint in the cup, which was the first thing there. So the colors in the middle might be a little more mixed than the colors on the outside. Let's go ahead and tilt. Okay, that is awesome. We have some pretty perfect rings there. I love it, and I'm so glad I ended up having enough paint to do one more painting with this kit. I'm going to go ahead and let this sit for a little while, and then we'll do our close-up. All right, starting in the lower right-hand corner here, we have the most colors, the most rainbow. Otherwise, it seems like this yellow really did take over, even though I actually used mostly white and probably secondly mostly blue, but that's okay. I think it's awesome, but this bottom right hand corner is absolutely my favorite. I think this is just perfect. All right, guys, so that is the Golden Matte Color Pouring Kit, and I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.